Hello, I'm Dr. LaShonda Bilba Irvin, Director of Diploma Plus in College and Career Readiness Department. This month, we celebrate National Career and Technical Education Month. CTE Month is a public awareness campaign that takes place to emphasize and value CTE and the achievements and accomplishments of career and technical education programs across the country. In KCKPS, we have close to 100 CTE teachers. Please join me and the Diploma Plus department in saying a huge thank you to our career and technical education staff that take time to provide opportunity and access to wonderful career programs. Your work allows students to see themselves in the future. We all say thank you.